Yo, she's using two hands, texting at the same time and driving. That's crazy. That's actually crazy to me. Like, how? She's looking at the phone more than she's looking at the road. 1 second in the road, 5 seconds in the phone. And this is actually a busy road. Like, look at the car next to her. Now she's using two phones. Okay. Yep. That's all? She's very lucky. Very, very lucky. What I don't understand why she's screaming. What she was expecting. She knows she's wrong. She's doing it again. I mean, look, there's nothing important than your life. So if you stop the car, use the phone, text, finish, then drive. But doing it at the same time, it does not help. I mean, look, those people who